each and every project they started on a handshake, this project to go on and to achieve the goal, the vision of two leaders who agree to make a development in Nyanza and other parts of Kenya.
We want to congratulate our son, Dr. Samuel Ruto, for his presidency of this nation, the 51. Our heart and our prayer is God will give you wisdom and strength to manage 50 million Kenyans in the nation.
Our prayer is that there should be unity, peace, and stability in Kenya. For us to achieve what we wanted, we must be stable, we must fight corruption. That has been the bone of contention. That has been the elephant in the house.